Mentor Buddy, this is your mentor Akhil. Now here we are going to discuss the question which is based on geometry. Now coming directly to the question first. The question says Arun makes a popular brand of ice cream in a rectangular shape bar, shape 6 centimeter long, 5 centimeter wide and 2 centimeter thick. To cut down the cost, the company has decided to reduce the volume of the bar by 19%. Implies the decrement in the volume of the ice cream bar is going to be 19%. The thickness will remain same, but the length and the width will be decreased by some percentage. Then the new width will be, we have to figure out the new width, and the listed options are 5.5, 4.5, 3.5 and 2.5. So as we can see, the question is about the rectangular shaped bar. So rectangular shaped bar is basically a case of cuboid. Now first understand the case of cuboid. So this is one cuboid with the length L, the breadth B and the height H. So in case we need to figure out the volume of this cuboid, that will be always equals to length into breadth into height. For the similar case, if we need to figure out the lateral surface area implies the area of the four walls of the cuboid, that will be twice of length into height plus breadth into height. And also we need to figure out the total surface area, that will be equals to twice of LB plus BH plus HL. So this is going to be the basic forms in order to understand for cuboid. That will be the volume, lateral surface area and the total surface area. Well, in this question we require the main volume. Now coming directly to the question once again. So it says the length of the bar, that is length, is equals to 6 centimeters. The breadth is equals to 5 centimeters and the thickness, that is the height, is equals to 2 centimeters. Now the question is to reduce the cost. Okay, I'll do one thing. First I'll figure out the original volume. So volume, as we can see, it will be length into breadth into height. So length will be 6, breadth is 5 and the height is 2. Solving this, that will be equals to 60 centimeter cube. Now the question further, it says now the volume of the bar is reduced by 19%. So reduction, we can see, will be 19% of the original volume of the cuboid. So the new volume of the cuboid will be total volume, that will be 60 minus 19 into 60 by 100. That was the reduction. Solving this, this will be equals to 245. Sorry, that is not 245. That will become 243 by 5 centimeter cube. So this is going to be the new volume. Now, so let's say the new volume is denoted by V dash. The original volume was V and the new volume is V dash. So further it says that the thickness will remain same, implies this height is going to be same. So we can say the new volume V dash will be equals to length, the new length, that will be L dash, into new breadth, that will be B dash, into height, which was same, that was 2. So further solving this, the new volume was 243 by 5 is equals to new length, that will be L dash, into new breadth, into B dash, into 2. So we can say that L dash into B dash is equals to 243 by 10. 243 by 10. That will be going to be the product of new length and breadth. Now in this case we have to observe one another important thing, that the initial length and breadth were like 6 and 5. So the initial length and breadth were in the ratio of 6:5. So again the ratio of the new length is to new breadth is again going to be same. That will be 6:5. I'm not saying that the value is going to be 6 and 5. The ratio will be same. That will be 6:5. Now again the common ratio to be x. So L dash, let's say, is equals to 6x and B dash is equals to 5x. And the question was, what will be the new width? Implies we need to figure out the value of this 5x. Okay, we know here the product of L dash and B dash we have already calculated to be as 243 by 10. So in that case we can say 6x into 5x is equals to 243 by 10. Solving this will become 30x square is equals to 243 by 10. So this will become x square is equals to 243 by 300. So x square will be equals to 81 by 100. So if x square is equals to 81 by 100, so x will be equals to 9 by 10. So this is going to be the value of x. Now we need to figure out the value of 5x, new breadth. So the new breadth, that is B dash, is equals to 5, and x we have already calculated, that is 9 by 10. 5 2 times, so 9 by 2 is equals to 4.5, and that we can see is already given to be as option number B. That will be 4.5. That is the correct answer.